Brooke with WTI. If you're looking to thicken up your hair or at least prevent breakage or moisturize your skin, you gotta check out this aloe vera. This is their Jamaican black castor oil.
I really enjoy using this because it does a great job of getting deeper into my skin and it doesn't sit right on the surface. It's thin enough that it actually does its job and moisturizes and nourishes the deeper layers. It's great for my hair, especially my scalp, getting rid of those dry flakes and nourishing it, making it feel more healthy. And it's also wonderful for my skin, helping it to be more elastic. And I also like that it's great for my nails as well. This comes with 2 jars of 2.02 fluid ounces. And I love using things that are alcohol free. And I love using things that's 100% pure cold pressed black castor oil. So this has worked for me. It makes me feel more relaxed and pampered. And it does such a great job for my whole body in the fact that it really gets down deep into the skin.
It works great, we love it, but that's just my point of view.